Hey Food Fam, it's Sunny from Sunny's Cooking Diary. I've been gone forever, lost in Netflix and laundry piles. But I'm back with Thai-style mayonnaise pork ribs, crispy, saucy, pure chaos. Chef's cooking, I'm bossing. Let's go. Alright, chef, 500 grams pork ribs. Soft bones if you're extra, half a teaspoon salt, sesame oil, 2 tablespoons water, 2 tablespoons flour, 1 tablespoon starch. They are in the same bowl as you can see. Coat them nice. Let it sit for 1 hour. Set it aside. Don't be stingy. Subscribing is free and like therapy. While the ribs chill, chef, let's julienne half a cucumber, thin strips, like veggie confetti. I used to chop this like I was mad at them. Total disaster. But I've leveled up, so follow my lead and slice nice. Coriander leaves, calamansi lime. Look at you go. Chef, those strips are fire. I had a proud moment last week slicing onions without tears, felt like I won an Oscar. Sauce time. Chef, this is the soul of the dish. 2 tablespoons of mayo for creamy dreams. Pour in 3 tablespoons of Thai sweet chili sauce for sweet spicy vibes. And half a tablespoon of calamansi juice like lime's sassy sibling. Stir it till it's silky, chef. Press like oral cry, on camera, ugly cry. Let's fry. Chef, get that oil hot pan or deep fryer and drop those marinated ribs in. Fry them till they are golden. But here's the pro move. Chef, double fry. Pull them out. Crank the heat high. And fry again for that insane crunch. I learned this the hard way. Old Sunny thought 1 fry was enough roast. Served soggy ribs once, and my friends still tease me. Double fries might come back glow up. Chef, look at that crisp. Final step. Mix those onion cucumber strips with our killer sauce. Pour it over the ribs and toss lightly. Keep that crunch alive. Don't drown it. Gentle, chef, like you're petting a puppy. Oh, chef, this is gorgeous crispy ribs, creamy spicy sauce, fresh veggies. I made this for a potluck once, and people were fighting for seconds. That's a wrap for Sunny's Cooking Diary, Thai-style mayonnaise pork ribs. Chef, you crushed it, and I'm happy to be back. Drop a like, hit subscribe, and tell me in the comments, what's your latest kitchen win or total flop? Next time's gonna be even tastier. So don't miss it, fam. Keep cooking, keep vibing, see you soon. P.S. Sunny love all of you, Food Fam.